Hello and welcome to the presentation video of Lipide Active Directory Self-Service. In this video, you'll find out how to work with the tool effectively, and you'll find the overview of the key functionalities of the software. Lipide Active Directory Self-Service helps domain user to unlock their account, reset their password, update their personal information, authorize co-workers to delegate these actions, and much more. Thus, it helps increasing employee productivity, reducing the admin workload, and saving help desk involvement to a significant extent. Now let's see how this can be done. As soon as you launch the software, you can see the admin login and the user login panels. Here we will start with the admin section, and later on we'll see the user section as well. Use admin as a default username and password for the first time login. You can change these settings later on. The admin section allows you to sign in as an administrator and configure the user account privileges. Upon first time login, you can see the Manage Domain section comes up. Otherwise, you are greeted with the dashboard upon recurrent login. Anyways, you need to register a domain first whose users are to be managed. Provide the domain name or IP address and then the primary domain control name. Now enter the domain admin name and password. Click Save and the respective domain will get added. You can add more domains from here and can make any particular domain as your default domain. Now let's check the dashboard. The dashboard shows a graphical summary of Active Directory user status and software activities. The next section is configuration section, which is the master section. Everything can be managed from here. Now let's start with the policy configuration. A default policy gets pre-configured on the added domain. You can make changes from here. However, here we will see how to add a policy. Provide a policy name and select the domain. Now select the OUs on which you wish to apply the policy. Note that you can create only one policy on a particular OU. Now select the permissions that you wish to assign. Check to allow self-password reset, account unlock, and self-update attributes. Here you can select which attributes can be updated. To see the same, click here. You can either provide full access to allow end users to update the parameters, make the attribute read-only, or provide no access wherein the attributes will not be visible at all. For allowing co-workers to perform these tasks, check these options. Now, if you want to notify users regarding password expiry, then provide the time limit and the notification schedule. Provide email settings and appropriate mail content. If you want to schedule auto account unlock, then provide the time interval, click save, and you are done. Now, this policy will be applied on all the users in the respective domain as per the selected OUs. Now, next is the question and answer policy configuration section. From here, you can configure security question and answer policy required for user enrollment and authentication. Select the domain and the number of predefined user-defined questions and define the character limit. You can manage the predefined questions from here. You can add, edit, or delete predefined questions and can also mark a question as mandatory. Now the Gina CP page here simply provides an installer file which is to be deployed at client system either individually or through a GPU. Check our other videos which are specifically made to show Gina installation. In the email server settings page, provide exchange information required for sending scheduled reports and notifications from the tool. Enter the exchange server IP, port number, and connection type. Also provide the sender's email address and save. Now let's check the invite user section. From here, you can send enrollment invitation to users. Just provide a schedule name, description, and choose the policy which will be applied. Select notification time and provide email details. Make sure to edit the mail content as per your requirement and provide the actual URL as per your network. Click Save and invitations will be sent to domain users as per the defined policy. Now, a very beneficial feature of Lipide Active Directory Self-Service tool is to directly enroll users at one go. All you need to do is to create a CSV file in an order. Provide users same account name followed by a question and then the answer. Note that every field has to be comma separated. To enroll, just select the domain, browse the file and check options as required. You can also send enrollment notifications to users. Ensure that in the mail content you provide the correct URL as per your network. The next section is Application Configuration section. From here, you can change the login username and password, as these details are saved from the time you add the domain. The Connection Settings section allows you to configure the port number used to connect with the software. You can also set the user's session expiry duration. Now from here, you can easily create, schedule, or restore a backup. To restore, just browse and click Restore to restore previous settings. If you wish to use customized images to rebrand the software interface, do it from here. Select your company's logo, banner image, and it will be updated. The next section is Reports. From here, you can see various reports regarding user's account and password status in the General Reports section. You can fetch the self-service action reports performed by domain users in the Audit Reports section and user enrollment status in Enrollment Reports. Now let's see a sample report to understand the process and available options. Select the domain and OUs. Now choose the report type and enter the time frame. Now click Generate. As you can see, soon to expire password users report is displayed here. You can sort it, search and export the report as required. Last section here is Schedule Reports. From here, you can schedule any particular type of report for automatic report generation and delivery. Just provide the scheduled name, select the report type, select the scheduled time, and provide email details. Now click Save and the reports as per the schedule will be automatically delivered in your inbox. The support section provides contact information and licensing details. You can also request for license file from here. Now we are finally done with the admin section and we'll check the user section now. The user login section allows you to sign into the program as a domain user and manage your AD account. Provide your domain username, password, and select your domain. Now if you are not enrolled within the tool, you will see this message on the screen. To enroll, answer the security questions displayed on the screen. As you enroll, you can see this message. Note that once enrolled, you can change your enrollment questions and answers from here itself. Now the first section is Self-Information Update. Here you can update your AD attribute information in the Active Directory. Only those attributes will be visible here which can be updated by you or have been set as read-only by your administrator. The next tab is Authorize Coworkers. Here you can select the coworkers whom you want to assign permission to unlock your account or reset your password on your behalf. As stated earlier, you can change your enrollment questions and answers from here. And here you can change your current domain password if required. Last section is Delegate Actions. From here, you can reset your coworker's password as per your domain password policy. Simply provide the new password, confirm, and save. The password of the coworker will be instantly reset. And similarly, you can unlock account of your coworkers as well. Now sign out and let's check the Access Utilities section. From this section, you can actually unlock your account and reset your password on your own. Click on the Unlock Account, provide username and select your domain. Now answer the security questions and click Next. Your account will be successfully unlocked. Click on the Reset Password tab, provide username and select your domain. Now answer the security questions and click Next. Now provide the new password and confirm the password, and your account password will be successfully reset. So that was the overview of Lipide Active Directory self-service tool. Before I conclude, I would like to introduce a very interesting feature in our tool, which allows end users to unlock their account or reset their password directly from the login screen. This happens through Gina installation. With this, users don't even need to access Lipide Active Directory self-service interface. Check out our other videos to know how to deploy Gina and its real-time application is explained in detail in our other videos. And yes, get a copy of Lipide Active Directory self-service instantly and try it in your domain as it's absolutely free.